Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're navigating the job market in 2025, LinkedIn is your go-to platform, and today, we're diving into how to view your resume on LinkedIn. Whether you're prepping for an interview or just curious about your profile's professional edge, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account on the app or website. It's super straightforward. Head to linkedin.com and enter your credentials. Once you're in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your profile page. This is where the magic happens. Now, scroll down your profile until you see the Featured or About section. In 2025, LinkedIn has enhanced its interface with a new Resume View option. Look for a button that says View as Resume or something similar. It's designed to compile your experience, skills, and education into a clean, downloadable format. Click on it, and voila! You'll see a preview of your resume right there. If you don't spot it immediately, don't worry. Go to the Me drop-down menu, select View Profile As, and then choose Resume Format. This feature lets you customize how your profile appears, making it easy to review or share. Pro tip: double-check for any updates, like adding recent jobs or certifications, to keep it polished. One common hiccup is if your profile isn't fully updated, LinkedIn might prompt you to fill in missing details. Take a moment to do that. It only strengthens your resume. Remember, viewing your resume isn't just about seeing it, it's about ensuring it represents your best self. Wrapping up, mastering this on LinkedIn can give you a competitive edge in 2025's job landscape. Give it a try, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.